First releases. Oh my god. It's a no makeup, pajama all day kind of Monday. I just want to be as comfortable as I possibly can, because today I'm editing all day to prepare for the relaunch of our YouTube channel. I'm pretty nervous about the studio vlog because we've never vlogged before and we never really filmed ourselves before. I just hope you like it. I just hope you like it really. In 2020, a lot more studio vlogs have popped up, and I think it's really nice to see how other people are working on their shops and what makes their shop unique and how other creators are working at home. I find it very supportive, I guess. It's nice to throw on a studio vlog while I'm working at home. So I hope our vlogs can provide that in return. So to keep me going throughout my workday, I have, of course, my drink, which today is coffee. And then I have some persimmons. And then I made cheese soup pudding. Since I have no makeup on, I can do a mask while I'm editing, which will be pretty nice. I don't do this often, just because I forget, mostly, that I have masks. What if Amy comes in right now and she sees this? That'd be hilarious. It was funny, right after I put this on, I was like, what if Amy walks in right now with this on? And there you are! It's so weird to see me in 3 different spots. I have it here, and then there, and there! Wait. Okay. Good girl. Since today is our shop anniversary, I wanted to show you our first releases. These are character stickers hand-drawn by Amy, and they're based off of the 3 of us. That's Kim, Michi, Amy, Mamie, and me, Helen, Chihi. Happy December! Felt pretty festive today, so I'm wearing one of my holiday sweaters. Amy is home and she's in the production room processing orders, which is nice that we have separate rooms so that I can film while it's exporting. I don't want to do too much on the computer, but I also don't want to sit here and do nothing. I did continue designing the YouTube channel art while it's exporting, but I think it's slowing it down, so I'm gonna take a break on that. You know, since it's December 1st and I'm feeling festive already, I might just decorate a little bit for Christmas. Oh my god. It's live. That's me. That's my dog. That's my room. This is so weird. I've barely seen you all day. I can't believe it's Wednesday already. The past 2 days and the weekend just kind of melds together into just editing days. While I was decorating, Amy was just printing and cutting orders, and there wasn't much for me to assist her on that. And after I did everything I needed to do, I just joined in on Amy for packaging orders. Today was the last day of the sale. We were just blown away of how much was ordered in a single order too. Thank you for ordering and showing so much love and support for us. There's not much to show when I'm customizing orders because it's just the same layout, sheet layout, over and over again, just changing the dates and the weekdays. Oh, but I did do some design today. Kim and I were doing a thank you card, and I filmed my process of it, but we ended up going with Kim's design. Since all I'm gonna do now is work on the custom orders, and it's a very repetitive task, I'm gonna end the vlog here and say thank you for watching our first vlog and the whole YouTube relaunch. Thank you for watching this vlog. Thank you for supporting us through the Cyber Week sale. Remember to take care of yourself and eat some yummy snacks. So have a good one and goodbye.